Hello everyone. In this video, we will share how to do the t-test for two populations using Excel. And it is for the two dependent population. We will talk about a similar question that you have done in your last week's tutorial. So let's look at the question first. Well, a financial institution requires its new employee to attend a new training course after they join the company. This is a training course to improve employees' understanding. And also, before attending this training course, the human resources manager will ask each new employee to complete a questionnaire, and a score X is obtained. Also, after attending the training course, and you need to test whether at the 5% level of significance, the training course could better an employee's understanding of the company's mission. Well, in this question, you can see that the target group is the same, which means you just test the same group. The difference is that you need to test the different score they obtained before they attend the training course and after they attend the training course. So the two population here is dependent. Let's define that mu d is just mu y minus mu x. And the underlying assumption here is that the mu d need to follow a normal distribution. And to test whether it follows a normal distribution, you need to refer to another Excel video talking about the chi-square test. And you can see, as the question said, that they want to know whether the training course can better an employee's understanding. So the non-hypothesis here is that the mu d is 0, which means that the training course makes no difference. And the alternative hypothesis is that the training course can better the outcome, which means that mu d would greater than 0, and the after score will be better than the before score. So then we will draw the output using Excel. It is under the data analysis, and you just choose t-test paired to sample for means. And the variable range, I'd like to choose the after score, which is the y. And the variable 2 is before. The hypothesis mean difference is 0. And I will take the labels. The alpha is 5%, the output range. Okay. And here, because the non-hypothesis is just for one tile, we just want to know whether it could better the outcome. So the value for P is just one tile as well. So as can be seen from the output, the p-value for one tile is smaller than the 5%, which means that we could reject the non-hypothesis at the 5% significant level. And we can draw a conclusion that the training course can better an employee's understanding of the company. Yeah, that's all. See you next video. Bye.